Hello, everybody. Nice to meet you all over again. And thank you very much to most of you who have subscribed for the channel. And if you have not, there is a subscribe button down there. Just press it, and also the bell icon so that you get notification if I go with any new video online. So today I'm going to give you some information about beauty pageants. There are a lot of people who only think that the only beauty pageant which happen is Miss India, but no. Nowadays we have beauty pageants for all age groups. We have beauty pageants for all shapes and sizes. So if you have that little desire that you do want to participate in a beauty contest, then you have the world out there. So let's start with Miss India. Of course, Miss India is the oldest and the most prestigious one, but sometimes our body circumstances do not allow us to enter that. So, because they have a set standard and you have to fit into it, for example, a girl has to be 5 feet 5 inches, and if it's a Mr. India, then it is 5 feet 7 inches, which is a standard thing they look for. And if you're shorter than that, then of course you won't fit in, even though you're wanting to go. But as I said, these contests go international and they have a specific rule which the organizers follow, so they look for that certain height in you. But besides Miss India, there are a lot of local pageants which happen in your city, in your town, in your district, maybe in your state, and sometimes it's even all India. So there are many like Miss India International, Rubaru Miss India Elite, then Miss India Legacy. So there are many which you can participate. You just have to type Miss in the search bar of maybe Facebook or Google, and a whole lot of them will come up. And for married ladies, Mrs., of course, there are a lot of contests which happen. Some of them I know is Mrs. India Queen of Substance, then there is I'm India, She's India, then there is Mrs. India Pride of Nation, and a lot more of them are there, so many of them. So in this also, a lot of people ask me that what is the age limit. There is no age limit for Mrs. If you are young, less than 35, you go for a regular Mrs. contest. If you are slightly till 45, 50, you go for classic Mrs. India contest, and if you beyond that, you go for super classic. So it doesn't matter what age you have and what height you have in Mrs. India, as long as you have that dream and the desire to represent yourself in the best way, most welcome to go ahead for them. Mr. India, of course, one of the prestigious ones is again Times of India, Mr. India, and a lot of boys, it's tough to get in. If you don't get in there, then there are many more like Rubaru Mr. India, then Mr. Global Mr. India, Mr. India Worldwide. You can try them, and most of them do go international, so you will have a chance in case you want to go international to represent your country. Then a lot of people ask me that I am short at height, very short. I don't even fall in regular. Fine, you go for Miss India Petite. So there are competitions where short people are there, and even they go international. Mr. and Miss India Petite. Then there are competitions for teenagers, Mr. and Miss Teenager, Mr. Teenager, Miss Teen India, Miss Teen India, Mr. Teen India. So a lot of competitions for teen. There are also competitions for toddlers, but most of them are not the beauty pageant types, but maybe some activity or something a child performs on stage and they pick up a winner on that. But somehow I'm not very much in favor of kids competition, because I feel if a little child is put through such a kind of a competition and he or she doesn't win, it might leave a psychological scar on the child's mind, may think that I'm not good enough. So sometimes I personally am not in favor of a very young child going for a competition. Um, it does affect your psyche. Yeah, then in case you're slightly on the heavier side, you can go for Miss Plus Size, you can go for Mr. Plus Size. Nowadays we even have contest for super grand mom, super granddad. So if you have that desire, you can always go there. And yes, of course, we also have competitions for transgenders. We have Transgender India, Transgender World. So you just have to Google and you will find a whole lot of information. Only thing I would suggest is that before you go for a competition, do check their background, check who are the organizers, what do you get out of it, do they go international, what is the fee they are asking for, um, maybe if you can speak to previous winners and get an idea about what exactly happens. So do your research before you apply for any of them. And yes, all the very best to all of you. I'm sure you'll find your dreams very, very soon. See you again very soon with another topic. Till then, take care.